How's it going, Extreme Motorsports fans? Today we did a little work on this 2017 Chevy Tahoe. We added an overhead DVD player for the customer that goes right directly to the factory auxiliary port on the vehicle. This way you can listen to it through your factory speakers. Also, if you want some quiet time while you're driving and the kids are watching, they got 3 headsets that you could turn on and get your volume through there. It also has an FM backup transmitter. You can turn it onto FM mode and it will project over your factory speakers.
Featuring Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole
Nice setup.
I must find some way to keep Christmas from coming.
For this customer's ride to Florida. Thanks for watching.
Along with 8